Come on, say, let's build a a house. Yes, let's build a house. Okay. So, Teacher Lemon, can you see my table? So my house will be blue. Okay. Mhm. So how about you? Where's your house? Hmm? Where's your house? Where is it? Oh, nice. Okay. So come on. Go. Keep moving. We can make our own house. I'm making um the wall.